What's that crap? I know it all. I got my own life, you got your own life. Live your own life and set me free. Mind your business and live my business. You know everything, Papa know it all. Very little knowledge is dangerous. Stop bugging me, stop bothering me, stop bugging me, stop fussing me, stop fighting me, stop yelling me. It's my life. It's my life. It's my life, my brother. 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 It's my life. Do you understand? I live the way I want to live. I make decisions day and night. Show me signs and good examples.
I wasn't so sure, I think, at that time, as to whether DNA or protein was genetic material. Of course, I knew about Avery's experiments, and they were very suggestive, but you could argue they weren't watertight. I knew Maurice Wilkins. I'd known him before I went to the Cavendish. He was working on DNA, and I would go and talk to him. But I didn't actually myself work on it, mainly because at the Cavendish they were working on protein structure. So I learnt about polypeptide chains, X-ray diffraction, and things of that sort, and essentially continued to be interested in DNA rather than doing any experiments or calculations.
A young biologist who had long had an ambition to discover the nature of the gene, James Watson, was rather more sure about DNA.
I think I thought it probably was the genetic material. I had been working in Copenhagen on the fate of the DNA during bacterial virus reproduction. And
Maurice Wilkins had worked as a physicist on the atom bomb during the war and had turned in disgust at what he felt was the way science had been misapplied to biology. With an interest in the gene kindled by reading a little book called What is Life, in which the theoretical physicist Erwin Schrödinger had speculated that the gene consists of a three-dimensional arrangement of atoms, he found himself at the King's College London, using X-ray diffraction to study the structure of DNA.
One of the reasons I think we got better.
We have evolved to become the most advanced species on Earth. No other creature has the ability to contemplate like us or to create like us. We have devised the skills and the technologies to shape the world around us. We have the imagination, the intelligence, and the will to go beyond our world. We are the paragon of all animals. We have survived the rigors of evolution. We are dictating our own future evolution. We are shaping our own destiny. We are fascinated and perplexed by the world. We have a compulsion to explore, to expand our knowledge. Sight is our most powerful sense. Using our eyes, we are driven to see more and see further. Our eyes can take us to the furthest boundaries of our universe. By the year 1000, man was fully formed. In height and stature, he was as he is today. But his life was shorter. With no understanding of medicine, life expectancy was between 40 and 50 years of age. As many as 30 to 40% of infants died at birth. By the year 1000, we fought disease and infection with medicines made from plants and herbs. Children had only a 50% chance of reaching adulthood. By the year 1000, man's vision of the world was limited to what his eyes could see. It would be 500 years before telescopes and microscopes extended human vision. In the year 2000, we had developed powerful synthetic vaccines and drugs. Diseases like smallpox and polio had been all but eradicated. By the year 2000, man was the most successful animal on Earth. The average lifespan of a human being was 75 years. Infant mortality had been reduced to 7 in 1,000. Human brains were found to be getting smaller, possibly due to domestication. By the year 2000, the limit of our vision had extended to over 12 billion light years. We could see objects that were millions of times smaller than a human hair. Electronic implants were restoring sight to the blind. By the year 3000, genetic engineering might make our bodies resistant to all diseases. Our bodies could be programmed to live forever. We might genetically customize our eyes to act like camera lenses. Our eyesight could be more effective and precise than an eagle's. We might automatically tune our eyesight to any light spectrum, from X-rays to infrared. By the year 3000, man could be in complete control of his evolution. Separate sexes might have disappeared. It might be possible to clone oneself as a child. Living on other planets might begin to change our bodies. There might be no death.